Imagine owning 44 acres of Vermont countryside with a pond, brook, and your own maple trees. This extraordinary 1810 federal-style brick farmhouse offers a rare combination of historic charm, modern convenience, and endless outdoor opportunities. And a picturesque spring-fed pond with a dock creates the perfect spot for reflection, recreation, or even seasonal swimming. The property also includes an old town highway, now part of the Vermont Vast Trail System, giving snowmobilers and ATV enthusiasts direct access to miles of scenic trails. Inside the farmhouse, you'll find high ceilings, beautiful wood floors, and exposed barn beams that speak to its early 19th century heritage. Original details, including deep-set windows, intricate crown moldings, and 6 fireplaces, add character and warmth, while the kitchen's wood stove provides a cozy gathering space in cooler months. Outbuildings on the property include a classic barn and a substantial sugarhouse, ready to support a working homestead or family activities. Perched up the hill, a rustic cabin offers a charming retreat with a wood-burning stove, outhouse, and unplugged simplicity, perfect for visitors or a personal escape. Whether you're looking for a full-time residence, a vacation rental opportunity, or a self-sustaining lifestyle in Vermont, this property delivers. With sweeping mountain views, direct trail access, historic architecture, and abundant natural resources, it's a rare legacy estate where history, recreation, and tranquility come together. This 44-acre homestead is more than a property. It's a Vermont lifestyle waiting to be claimed.